To reset your YouTube recommendations, start by opening a browser and navigating to youtube.com. Then log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile image at the top right and select Your Data in YouTube. This will open a new page where you can scroll down to the YouTube Controls section and find YouTube Watch History. This feature helps YouTube find videos you've watched and improve your recommendations. To manage your watch history, click on Manage Your Watch History at the bottom of the section. Here, you have two options. You can remove individual videos from your watch history by clicking the X next to each video. Or you can clear your entire watch history, which will significantly impact your YouTube recommendations. To delete your entire watch history, click on Delete and select the date range you want to delete. You can choose to delete videos from today, a custom range, or your entire watch history by selecting Delete All Time. Once you confirm that you want to delete your watch history, you will have reset your YouTube recommendations. After doing so, you'll notice that there is no activity in your watch history. This process can be useful if you're getting recommended videos that you have no interest in. Additionally, if you're using a mobile phone, you can find instructions on how to reset your YouTube recommendations within the YouTube app.